Just taking a look at my Auto World pit kits. Here's the 4-gear Dodge van. All the graphics on these are actually water slide decals that I had left over from model kits. This one here, also the tow boom is from a die-cast car. You can see this one I just made, kind of a 70s style camper van. Same thing, the canoe and rack and all that come from a 164 die-cast car. Obviously, that's my Coca-Cola version. Like I say, all the water slide decals come from model kits. And this is my Apocalyptic. And the figures are just some cheap figures I picked up at Hobby Lobby. And the machine gun itself I made from scratch. And this is the Xtraction pit kit Corvette. And this is from the Thunderjet pit kit. I hope you enjoyed the video, and thanks for watching.